Okay? Now, I'm going to pass these out, and then I'm going to have someone maybe take my, and this is what you're going to make in sheet metal. Okay? And I have it set up back here. Oh, man. Right here. Yeah, can you? Back here to set up, to cut 5 7/8. Why, if anybody looks at this, why 5 7/8? Okay? That's the thickness here. These I cut roughly 18.5 to 19 inches. Okay? So, you're going to want to cut your piece today, if possible, or the next couple days, and put it in a locker, put your name on it, so that you have your piece that's 5 7/8. Even if you're going to want it, you'd rather weld. Okay? Now, a couple things. You see this? Let me show them so that there's this warning right here. This thing will cut sheet metal. It will also cut your fingers or your buddy's fingers. Okay?
Pinch point.
With that, if you don't put your fingers or something important to you in this, it's fine.
You're fine.
Okay? It's not like the sheet metal is throwing sparks. Just don't put your fingers in it, and you should be fine. I put this card back here so that it's going to cut 5 7/8. There's a straight edge on this side here and a straight edge here. So when it cuts 90 degrees. So now, to put this in, I'm going to slide this steel in, and this is galvanized sheet. Okay, right along this edge. Okay, and so my fingers stay here. I step on this. I make sure that nobody's fingers are there. I kind of step on it. Give it up.
Give it a big.
Oh, boom. All right.
Wow.
Then I'm going to leave this right here. All of you can cut your 5 7/8. If we measure it,
They should put like a box down there where it drops into. You can just grab the box or something.
if I measure this, 5 7/8. Okay, here to here. And let's come over back to the where I can measure. How wide do I need to make it by looking at the plan?
Cameraman, come through.
18 inches. Good. Can I have everybody grab a chair and set it down and sit? Be careful if there's people's phone books on here.
Jesus, that's a lot of Chromebooks.
What? Yeah,
We'll
well,
just set this here.
well, nice. Because I'm going to be doing this. Actually, yeah. So, 18 inches, correct? Take my tape measure. Tyler, you want to unhook that? Come over here. And I want to mark it. And, at my piece of sheet metal. Does anybody see a wavy cut? Marcus, do you see a wavy cut? Anybody see the wavy cut and the straight cut? See how wavy this is?
Yeah.
Or I want to cut that. That's where I hand sheared it. Okay? So I want to make sure that I save my flat side and cut the wavy side. So I come here. You want to mark it right at 18? Okay. Mark it right at 18. And I take all right. Now I have a straight line. So let's take this again.
All right.
All right, and we're gonna go back.
I don't care. I'm using this stupid thing.
Now, I put the line so that if everybody looks here, you can see that there's an edge. It's basically a big scissors. Okay, so it's like this, and this comes down right on this edge. That's where it cuts. Okay, so if I look down here, I can see that my line is right where I want it. I then stand on here. Oh, I just moved it as I went.
I'm going to put my hand out so you don't move it when
No,
you're not.
I'd rather you keep you have your hand there, because when somebody else's hand's there, you don't know where it is. You know what I mean? But
Yep.
thanks for the help. Okay, now I can. Yep, it's good where I want it.
There you go.
Okay, and there we go. And now we have our 18 by 5 7/8 piece. The rest of the lecture, I'm going to show you how to take that out. Okay?
Is that going in Google Classroom?
That is going to go in Google Classroom.